Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. However, no worries if you're using any other browser. This operation is quite similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps and apply them to your browser. So as I said, let's open the browser, and in my case I have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. However, if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to do it automatically. So just tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and saved data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.